a lot of lighting, beautiful trees, beautiful. Maybe you already prepared for Christmas and already purchased gifts. But Christmas is not about the gifts. Christmas is not about the lights or trees. Christmas is about Jesus and what He has done for you and for me. Do you know? Do you know why did Jesus die? What He has done on the cross. He paid the price for your sin, that you could have a hope. And the Lord kept you alive today. Another opportunity for the Salinas Sports. Another opportunity for you to hear this wonderful